Have you ever wondered if love could conquer even the bounds of time and mortality? In the ancient world, one tale stands out for its mystique and emotion: the story of Endymion and Selene. Endymion, a handsome shepherd or king, captivated the heart of Selene, the goddess of the moon. Every night she gazed down upon him as he slept, her love glowing brighter than the moonlight that bathed his resting form. Enamored by his beauty, Selene asked Zeus to grant Endymion eternal youth and everlasting sleep, so she could cherish him forever without the passage of time stealing his charm. Zeus, moved by her plea, granted her wish, and Endymion was placed into an endless slumber, untouched by age or death. Selene visited him every night, ensuring their love remained pure and untainted by the woes of the mortal world. Their story, though lesser known, resonates with the eternal struggle between divinity and humanity, love and time. It poses the question: is it a blessing or a curse to love someone who can never awaken? Selene's undying affection for Endymion reminds us that true love can transcend the constraints of reality, living on in the quiet moments of night, forever illuminated by the silvery light of the moon.